Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this wet look, as well as how I install my lace fronts. So keep watching. So what you want to do first is start cleaning your forehead, or at least the section where you will be putting the adhesives on, so that the excess dirt or oil won't lift the lace easily. And also you might want to put on a wig cap. So what I usually do is I just put on a stocking cap, which is 7 rands at Pep Store, and just put on some makeup that is closer to my skin tone so that it won't easily show through the lace, even though it will show, but it won't show as much. So right now I'm putting on the adhesives, which is the L'Oreal Studio Line Extreme Hold. It is not a glue, guys, so don't worry. It comes very easily off with water. So however, if you try to take the wig off without water, it won't come off. Probably peel off your skin, but other than that, it's not gonna come off. Excuse me while I'm talking to someone else. Sorry about that. You will see my lips moving. So I then dry the gel until it was a little bit tacky with a hair dryer on a cool setting. And right now, as you can see, I'm feeling whether it's tacky or not. And that's the baby I'm going to put on. And if you follow me on social media, you will see that I have put on this wig before. It's my Asymmetric wig that I've cut off myself. I will create another look with this. I will create a new wig and show you how I cut the asymmetric look to make it look this way. And don't forget to put on the makeup closer to your skin tone as well on the lace of the wig, like I'm doing right there. And then put it on and just install. So what you want to do as well is just pull the hair back and clip it off before you start putting on the lace onto the adhesives. Then start slowly putting on the lace onto the glue or the gel in this case. And usually what I do, I make sure that the areas around my ears are in line correctly, because you can make a mistake and then the lace is going to be on top of your ear and it's uncomfortable for the whole day. And usually I would start off on a side, make sure that is installed correctly. Either way, it depends on you whether you want to start on the middle or the sides. Usually I start off on the sides. It works best for me that way. And then I move over to the middle. While I'm putting it on, I'm also trying to create a normal look, in a sense that I move hair around with the comb, as you can see right now, so that when I do put on the scarf, or in my case the socks, it can actually stay in the same position, in a good position that I want it to look, so that it can have that natural look. And most of the times you will see that there are sections that doesn't have enough glue. You can just put on the glue and try it as you go along, and it will work for you. now I'm going to wrap the section that I put on glue with my sock, my old sock that I'm not using anymore. As you can see, I've been using it for only this as it has makeup on, and just leave it in for approximately 15 minutes. That's what I did on my side. I left it for 15 minutes, and then after 15 minutes I took it off. It's probably completely dry right now, as you can see, and you will notice that there will be white marks sometimes. And at this point I forgot that I was not recording, hence the other side is wet and the other side is not. So in that regard, where there are white spots, you can just use your toner, the toner that you use for your face, to wipe it off using a earplug. And you can just go ahead and wet the hair. And while doing that, you want to still protect the section that you put on the adhesives, and then just pretend as if you're drying it, like hold it firm so that it can have those loose waves, those loose beach waves. And that is all. That's basically it from my side.